going on, guys? Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're restarting again with the backyard park, and we completely changed the setup. Jump is about 3 times the size now, and we added a new feature in place of the deadly rail that we had before.
Perfect. Oh. Perfect.
Today we're going to be riding with 2 semi-pro on their way to the Olympic skiers, Joey and David. What do you guys got to say for today?
Hopefully we don't hit the knuckle.
Yeah.
Hopefully they don't hit the knuckle. You heard it right there. They're going to be testing out the jump for us. Looking forward to a good day of skiing on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're going to get going. These boys are going to test out the jump. Quite a bit of angle compared to last time. The face is a lot bigger, so yeah, we'll see how this goes.
Just pin her full throttle.
Yeah, once I take the turn, I'll get on it.
Okay. Man, all right, the word is Joey's going for a backflip this round. This is his 3rd jump of the morning. First backflip sent back here. Woo! Yes, sir.
What do you want to see now?
I don't know, do what you do. Twin brother David stepping up at it now. Woohoo!
Yeah, I'll do a road 5 this run.
Okay, he claims he's doing a road 5 this one, so fuck, these kids are crazy. Oh! 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 Holy shit! Woo! Oh!
Edge.
Yeah, that's the landing right there. Dialing it in. Damn. Next trick, gonna attempt to cork 7. This is just another day in the backyard for these guys. Oh! Clean. Jeez. Woo! Oof. Wow. That's nuts. All right, we're gonna switch it up here. Dave's gonna go for his first shot at the cannon rail. We're gonna see how this thing works. Right now, the setup is a little bit sketchy. Shoved in about maybe 6 inches into the snow, and then we just got this old rail holding it in. Yeah, it feels rock solid, so it'll be fine. Straight gap. Woo!
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna get off. Water was coming through.
That's fucked.
That's scary.
Holy.